Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And so what does this Patch Tuesday bring for Windows and for Microsoft products and services? Well, this month's Patch Tuesday update is fixing 200 different flaws. So if you haven't checked yet, or if you want to install them as fast as possible for the security updates, you can go and check your Windows updates. 200 flaws, and of those, 3 are 0 days, and several are critical. So that means that you have 0 days that are known by bad guys and maybe exploded in the wild already. If you check it out, it's 65 elevation of privilege vulnerabilities, 19 are security feature bypass, 55 are remote code executions, 30 information disclosure, 7 denial of service, and 27 spoofing vulnerabilities. So what is the 3 0 days? Well, the 3 0 days have to do with one is the Windows Collaborative Translation Framework, CTF monitor. There is a elevation of privilege vulnerability in there. And so with a specific link, you can basically just take control of everything. There's an http.sys denial of service vulnerability. So this is a publicly disclosed flaw that is called http/2bomb. And of course, this is a protocol that is fixed to make sure that nobody can take control once again. And there's finally the Windows BitLocker security feature bypass vulnerability. So this is a publicly disclosed bypass flaw that was it's called Yellow Key, and it's basically, we talked about that a few weeks ago, wondering when Microsoft would fix it. So this is now fixed today. Apart from that, well, there's a lot of critical flaws in different parts of the different products, including Microsoft Office. If you have Office, there will be an update for Office too because of that. There's a remote desktop client flaw that is critical. Hyper-V, important. There are some critical flaws in the Windows DHCP client, the Windows Deployment Service, the Windows Cryptographic Service. Also, there's the several critical flaws in Hyper-V, and the Windows kernel, Windows Media. So a lot of stuff and a lot of important flaws too. So this means it's important to actually apply these updates for your computer. Mine didn't take very long. It was a pretty quick process here. Once it downloaded and installed, I don't even know if it took less than 10 minutes overall to install on all my machines. So it's been very, very quick for the install on this one. So that's what we have for the June Patch Tuesday. 200 security flaws and 3 0 days. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.